Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I received a package from the Disney Store that I'm very excited about. What's inside is this singing Aurora doll in her peasant outfit. The doll comes in this window box with a pink background that has a circle cut out that allows you to let the doll sing when she's still in the box. The box tells you that it's a singing Aurora doll and has the Disney Princess logo as well. Then there's an outline drawing of one of the fairies on the front and an outline of Aurora on the side. There's an image of Aurora sleeping as well. Then on the bottom back it says the price, which was €22 or 17 pounds. It says that the doll sings Once Upon a Dream, and it also shows an image of Aurora dancing with the owl, just like in the movie. The only difference is that in the movie, Aurora is wearing the peasant dress, just like the doll. Then on the other side of the box, it shows an image of Aurora and Prince Philip when they first meet, and another drawing of Aurora wearing the pink dress. And then it's time for my favorite part: unboxing her. I think this was the doll's favorite part as well, because she started singing many times during the unboxing. Out of the box, Aurora has this beautiful curl in the front. However, the back of the hair does need some love, because it did get a little messed up in the back. This doll's bangs are styled really well, with quite a lot of product keeping them in place. She has these side bangs with one curl swooping over it, as a simple replication of the bangs she has in the movie. I really love how they included the black headband on this doll, just like in the movie as well. And as you can see, on the front curl I was talking about earlier, the top part is also gelled in place, which is probably why that curl is still so pretty. For her accessories, Aurora comes with this rose. From the pictures I saw online, I expected it to be plastic, but it's actually made out of fabric. It does look really nice, but I don't think it's really sturdy, so I'm not sure how long this will hold up if you buy this doll for someone who really likes to play with their toys a lot. But for photography, it really does look nice. And then the doll also comes with a shawl draped over her peasant dress, which is actually the main reason I got this doll. I love this dress so much, and I've been wanting a peasant dress for Aurora for such a long time. So when I saw Disney Store was releasing a doll in this outfit, I ordered her right away. And the dress does not disappoint. As you can see, she has this white collar, these really puffy sleeves, and black corset. Unfortunately, the corset does not go around to the back as well. The good thing though is that I don't think this corset is printed or painted, but it's actually different fabric that is sewn to the top. Then the dress also has this purple glittery skirt that actually does not shed glitter as much as some previous glitter dresses did, which I'm really happy about. Aurora comes with bare feet, which makes sense because in the movie she doesn't wear shoes with this dress either. The stand I'm using for her now did not come with the doll. To hold the shape of the dress, there's a lot of paper material underneath the dress. That is also taped around the waist. When you remove that paper, you can see her purple painted on underwear and the shape of the dress when it's not completely held in place by the paper. Then, to take a look at the doll's body and articulation, I will undress this doll. As you can see, she has a heart-shaped speaker in the back, and on her side, she has an on and off button that is held in place with an elastic band to make sure that in stores, she would not accidentally get turned off. Then, like all recent singing dolls, Aurora has articulation in her left shoulder, elbow, and wrist, and in her right shoulder and wrist. This elbow does not have any articulation because that is the arm that has the sticking mechanism when you twist her wrist. This doll has a rubber band and snap knees, and she comes with pointed toes again. I'm not sure when they started doing the pointed feet again, but I really like that they're back. Because a while ago Disney Store did a lot of flat feet on dolls, which looked kind of funny to me. And then what I actually got this doll for is to see what the outfit looks on my rerooted version of Aurora. Already rerooted this doll a while ago, and as you can see, the dolls have really similar face molds and face paints. But my reroot has more of an ashy hair color, like in the movie. And the hair is a lot longer as well. I really love my rerooted version of Aurora, so I'm really excited to see how she'll look in the new Peasant dress. And this is how she looks. As you can see, I managed to let her hold the rose without any elastics. She's in that beautiful dress, and I added some white flat shoes that I already had. I was actually looking for some black flats or heels that I have, but I really couldn't find them, so I went with these. Then I also wanted to add the shawl to really complete the look. As you can imagine, I really love how my custom Aurora looks in this dress, and I'm extremely happy Disney released another doll in this dress. However, if you want a perfectly movie accurate dress, this one might not be the one for you. Since comparing it to the movie, this dress is a lot more purple compared to the muted grey tones in the original dress. For me this wasn't an issue though, because I actually really like this colored version. I really hope you like this doll as much as I do. If so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my doll restyles, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!